So for today's video, I'm going to review this product that I bought from Amazon. It's called Meguiar's headlight restoration kit. It comes with a cleaning solution and a headlight coating and two cleaning pads. So the problem with my headlights are they're cloudy, and see, it's all cloudy, and I'm gonna try to see if I can make that clear again. And I did the prep, putting on a masking tape around it so that it won't, I won't scratch my car doing this. So the first step is to use this cleaning solution, putting on this cleaning pad and apply it to the headlight. So that's what we're going to do. And apply it on the headlight. So apply this cleaning solution to the headlight. And scrub the headlight. And clean it thoroughly. Now we're going to use cloth to clean up, to wipe off the cleaning solution. And to make sure that the headlight is clean. And repeat the process of cleaning it again if you miss any spot. Right now, you can already see the difference compared to the old one. And I'm gonna apply the headlight coating next. Okay, So I thoroughly wiped off the dirt on the headlight, and I'm ready to use the headlight coating spray. So here it goes. You have to shake it well. And that's just the first coating. I'll put another coating after 3 to 5 minutes, the instruction says, but this is the first coating. You can see my headlight is already improved compared to the old one, which I haven't cleaned yet. So 5 minutes has passed, so I'm going to apply the second coating. And that should be it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.